Bye.
So
Guess you.
welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how you can record your screen. Basically, all the features we're all looking for. Pausing and resuming. No watermark, free a limited time. You can just record for or whole month. And basically all the features you're looking for, as you can see here. I have the ability to basically use uh something to draw with like this, which is incredibly awesome. Yeah, I could just remove stuff. I can stop this and just resume it. I can only use a great like a cursor or something like this to just a more specific cursor. I have this thing that you know it's like a red circle, or just use the standard cursor. Um, you can also use a what do we call basically choosing an area to basically to hide your informations. Basically, when you're trying to type something, it's an amazing feature, as you can see here. Okay, and you can just delete everything. Okay, we have also the and this we have the pen. We can insert images into our basically our uh, canvas. You just put images here like this and just put it in here, for example. Um, for someone basically trying to, let's say, have a list here, they're trying to do stuff, trying to explain it while doing it. So yeah, you just go here, just click delete. You can add arrows like this, like you probably have seen this 100 times. People doing this. You can add rectangle like this and just mess with it like this, like this. So you can just delete it. You can add text, which is an amazing feature. Okay, you can just choose where to add text like this, and then excuse me, like this, and then just type whatever you want. Okay, you can just choose a color. Let's make it red, and just okay, and just type whatever we want, like this. It seems like the color's not changing. I don't know why. And you can use a pen, a specific pen. As you can see, just a random pen or just a cursor. We can pause like, okay, see? Click here to just start over or over. And we can use these four, square buttons to just move our tools like this. Okay. So this is it all about Screenity. It is a free, basically open source that allows you to do amazing things. You don't need no Camtasia, no other expensive, tools. You can just use this open source tools and just make the best explanatory video. You can just also move this image like this. Okay. Let's put it here, or let's go put it here. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Uh, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos. Give me, if you need anything, just put a comment below and I'll be make sure to basically reply to you. Thank you for watching.